Seventwenty Holdings. This is a Kenyan brand that locally manufactures curtain rods, window, and other door accessories, also paint products. We have been in operation for 10 years now with more than 40 products that we currently supply under our two brands, Executive Curtain Rods and Set Paints. Our products mainly include curtain rod tie backs, caps which comes in 1 inch and 3/4 inch, different designs and types of finials, rings, curtain rod brackets, furniture pipes, window and door accessories products such as door handles, window stays, fasteners, among others. We are able to provide end-to-end solution from designing our products to production, supply, and also installation of our products across the country. We also offer customization services where we customize your curtain rod according to the shape and the size of your window. We manufacture and supply decorative paints for both interior and exterior surfaces under our brand Set Paint, and some of the products include cover mat, emulsion paints, and also textured paints, thinners, and skim coats. We also offer painting services. We have been able to supply our products across thousands of homes in Kenya and also to the affordable housing project. We are proud members of CAM and would like to appreciate them for their support over the years. To reach us, contact us through our platforms at Executive Curtain Rods at Set Paints.